Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Bosch heat pump dryer is running through the entire cycle but clothes are still coming out damp, you're definitely not alone. Reduced drying performance can occur because of restricted airflow, overloaded laundry, clogged filters, or moisture sensors that aren't working efficiently. Since heat pump dryers operate differently from traditional dryers, even small maintenance issues can significantly increase drying times. Fortunately, you can often improve the performance of your Bosch heat pump dryer by performing a few simple checks. In this video, I'll guide you through several troubleshooting steps that may help restore proper drying performance. Try these. Step 1. Clean the lint filter inside the Bosch heat pump dryer to improve airflow efficiency. Step 2. Reduce the load size if the Bosch heat pump dryer is packed with too many clothes. Step 3. Empty the water container of the Bosch heat pump dryer if it is full. Step 4. Inspect the moisture sensors inside the Bosch heat pump dryer and make sure they are clean. Step 5. Reset the Bosch heat pump dryer by disconnecting it from power for several minutes. Step 6. Run another drying cycle on the Bosch heat pump dryer and verify that the clothes come out properly dry.